Hey guys, Jason with Starkey Products here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of our Dynamic Headlight Adapters so you can see exactly what's included in the package. Alright, I've got our adapter out of the packaging, and this is the Dynamic Headlight Adapter that's going to connect to your truck's headlight and your existing factory wiring. This plug will plug into our pigtail. The pigtail is labeled, so you've got a common ground, you've got turn signal, the parking light circuit, and DRL. You can connect this any way that you want with the included butt connectors or soldering if you prefer. The important thing about this is that this is going to be completely plug and play once it's connected, and this is going to keep you from cutting into your factory wiring. We assemble these headlight adapters here in the US at our facility in Florida, and we're very proud of what we do, and this is going to make your installation very, very simple.